Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow 27th April 2021. So quickly we will see what are the stocks we have selected for today and what things we have to avoid. Bajaj Electric today didn't trigger, DVL didn't trigger. We'll keep this for tomorrow. India Mart, India Mart moved superly and but I don't expect you guys to take this kind of trades. These are risky if you are taking you manage your risk properly, because first 5 minutes I don't trust much the kind of move stock gives. So this moved pretty well, but avoid these kind of trades where stock is moving or giving breakout in first 5 minutes, and it moved too much actually. Rain, rain was a decent move. Above 180 it moved 185, and this was not in first 5 minutes, so it was perfectly fine. Greenfly opened gap up, so there was a no chance. There was a one chance in the end, which I also captured here. Bajaj holding, no chance. It didn't give breakout. Atul has moved good. It opened slightly at the breakout level, and then either you can take, because the first 5 minute candle was not big enough, so you can take trade above this 5 minute candle, or here also you can take trade. So this was our actual, but this also given breakout in first 5 minutes, so you have to wait for first 5 minutes. This was also one level, but here it was risky. 8,000, uh, around 8090, because there was no nearby support. So if here you are taking trade, manage your risk properly. If it comes down, you exit, because don't take big losses. These stocks moves weirdly. Indoco didn't give breakout today. You watch it. It actually given breakout, but that was in first 5 minutes. So throughout day I was tracking, if it breaks this 340 I will enter, but it has not given breakout. Canfin Home, this moved super. That was a decent breakout. Cadila Health, if any trade opens more than 1%, just avoid it. If it breaks high again, then you can take. Suven Pharma was good trade, but it also opened gap up, little bit gap up. So 450. So the trade actually 915. Yes, so in this it opened gap up. Okay, so if you have taken that trade, this first 5 minute candle low will be your stop loss. Aztec was a decent move. You have taken this trade, and this is good for swing also. Apcotex also, once it broke high, it has given decent move. Manali Petro also. STL tag. Okay. Again, this was a stop loss taken that just made weeks. This was the stop loss. Okay. Vector food didn't trigger. SRF, though it looks big move, but this also I don't expect you guys to take it. It was purely first 5 minute candle, only 3-4%. Avoid these. Swaraj also whole day it was not able to cross this 1500 level. Whole day it was moving in this range. I thought if it crosses 1500 I will take it. So this also, if you are traded above 1495, it was a stop. Tata Steel 955. It moved in the end, but that move was very late actually, 120, and it already ran too much. So avoid these, and even if you have taken this bullish engulfing you have seen, there you can exit 952 or 952. ICICI fully again, I don't expect you to take this trade around around 3. It moved good, but avoid these. Kepler, we will wait. Okay, so let's see stocks for today now. So again, we'll carry this Bajaj holding for 1 or 2 days. We'll see if it gives breakout or not. So the level is same 3440. Then we'll keep DBL above 608. Stop loss you can keep 600. And similar to DBL, there is one more pattern in HG Infra. Above 274 we'll buy. We'll keep stop loss around today's opening. This is 270. Then we have Tasty Bite. This is a little volatile stock, so be careful if trading in this. We'll take trade above 16,000 or 16,010. Small resistance will be there at 16,100. Then we have Bears Crop, which avoid this trend line. This is just for I was checking how is the trend. So we'll buy above this swing high. So this is kind of making the price is moving in a pattern of box. So we'll buy this above 5400. ICICI Purli will buy this above today's high, and it has given a kind of ATH breakout. So we'll buy above 547 and we'll keep stop loss around 543. But again, remember, we have to avoid the trade in first 5 minutes. If it gives breakout, then we'll buy above that 5 minute candle high. And if that candle is big enough, then we'll avoid it. Because stop loss you have to keep below that candle. Indoco will keep this above 340. Thermax just keep in radar. Price is still little bit far above 1466, 1466. Then we have Greenply. Greenply, why I'm betting on this? It has already given breakout today, so it may make a good intraday trade above 204, which is today's high. Sorry, I have to change this. It is 214, and we keep stop loss around 210. And same pattern in Bala Mines. It has given swing breakout. So we'll buy above today's high 2095, sell 2075. We'll keep. Then in cash stocks we have CDSL. It is making a very good inside pattern in this red candle. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is in this range. So I'm expecting a good move if it breaks this red candle's high. So 740 will buy, and we keep stop loss around today's closing 731. So this CDSL we have to buy in cash for intraday. Vinyl India, this we can buy for swing trade. You can see it has given breakout, then consolidated, last time given here fake breakout, then again taken support at previous resistance. Now we'll buy this above 143. This is for swing trade. Then we have this Bardhaman Special Steel, BSSL. So we'll buy this above 178, and we'll keep stop loss around today's closing 175. Then we have Mayur Uniquoters for this has given a kind of flag breakout, and now it has given swing breakout also, didn't sustain, so we'll buy this out today's high 285, and stop loss 473. We will buy this in cash. So all these stocks we have for tomorrow: Bajaj Holding, DVL, HG Infra, Tasty Bite, Bear Crop, oh, ICICI Pruli, Indoco. I think my network is gone now. So all these stocks we have: Thermex, it gives breakout, Greenply above high, Bala Mines again above high, CDSL, this range breakout, Vinyl India again for swing in this big range breakout, VSSL, this swing high breakout and today's high, and Mayur Uniquoters, today's high. Apart from that, I am keeping track of this Kirloskar Ferris above 202. Let's see, and Hudson in intraday. I am watching this. This has not actually given closing above this level convincingly. Even not last time also, and today also made a big. So we'll buy this above 813 if it gives breakout. So these are the stocks, and Aztec today has given a good move. So above 1185 again we can buy in cash, because this has given a range breakout. So we can expect a move somewhere around 160, 150 points, which can take it to this trend line. So you can buy this above 1186. So this is for today, guys. Thank you.